Oh, baby. Yeah? Oh my God. It's beautiful. I think in every person's life they get these little moments of, oh my God, I've done something that allows you to feel like a little bit of, man, all this hard work has been for something. And this, I think, was one of those feelings when I saw this yesterday. I was like, this is what working hard can get you. It's so cool. It was just a really satisfying feeling just to be able to know, like, this is mine. So I've always wanted one, and I finally was able to find one that was in like a good enough shape that I thought it would be worth doing a restoration on. And it ran fantastically, so mechanically it was sound. Brought it back to my shop and just fell in love with it. So I thought it was a perfect candidate to have it restored, so we sent it down to Wagner. And they did a fantastic, just a beautiful job on restoring it back to what it is now, and I'm just so happy. But there's no key to this machine, which is awesome. It's a rope. This is the key which starts this machine, which starts the pony motor, the gas engine that goes through and starts the diesel engine. I'm sure this beat horses hands down, no question. But just to see where the technology's gone in the last 68 years is pretty incredible. I'd love to put it in parades. I'd love to have, get a little trailer, like a little hay trailer, pulling it with a bunch of hay bales. I could just see doing the parades in the middle of winter and with it snowing. So that's kind of what I want to do. Car shows, I mean, I've seen some tractors at car shows, so I kind of want to do car shows with it. And I know there's like an antique Caterpillar club, and it would be cool to kind of get into that and bring this to those if they'd be interested in it. I don't think this is going to be the last one for sure, so I'm hoping for many more.